Students, I'll repeat that SN2 mechanism because I'll give you a guarantee that in halogen derivatives of alkane, SN2 or SN1 mechanism is sure shot question to come. Okay, every year, almost every year, if you check into the question papers and all, the question is always there, and it's an old syllabus, so it's an important part. Okay, I'll teach it again. Carefully ऐकायचं SN2 mechanism. We write it like this: SN2 mechanism. What is S? Substitution. N, nucleophilic. 2, the rate of reaction depends on the concentration of two reactants, hence called as bimolecular, hence called as SN2 mechanism. I repeat, substitution reaction takes place. Substitution reaction is brought about by a nucleophile. Substitution reaction is brought about by a nucleophile, and the rate of reaction depends on the concentration of two reactants. दोन्ही reactants वर rate of reaction अवलंबून आहे, and therefore it is called SN2 mechanism. The process in which the bond breaking and the formation of product takes place. The process, step by step process, where initially the bond breaks, nucleophile attacks, halide substitute. The entire process is called, step by step process is called mechanism. SN2 mechanism. Example which you are going to write it as I have explained in the class. Consider the reaction of methyl, simple reaction of methyl bromide with hydroxyl ion. When methyl bromide reacts with hydroxyl ion, easy is hydroxyl ion or hydroxide is in nucleophile. Nucleophile म्हणजे इलेक्ट्रॉन रिच. इलेक्ट्रॉन रिच म्हणजे तो त्या एरियाला अटॅक करतो ज्याला इलेक्ट्रॉनची गरज आहे, आणि इलेक्ट्रॉनची गरज कोणाला आहे? कार्बनला. का? बिकॉज कार्बन ब्रोमीन CBr बॉन्ड आहे, तो ऍक्च्युअली हा H3 चा संबंध इथे येतो. CBr बॉन्ड मध्ये ब्रोमीन इज मोर इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिव्ह, कार्बन इज लेस इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिव्ह, हेन्स इट इज इलेक्ट्रोपॉझिटिव्ह, डेफिशिएंट ऑफ इलेक्ट्रोलाइट इलेक्ट्रॉन्स और इलेक्ट्रोफाइल. Methyl bromides reacts with hydroxyl or hydroxide ion. Hydroxide ion is a nucleophile, electron rich, electron donor. The reaction takes place like this: methyl alcohol plus bromide ion बाहेर निघतो, halide ion बाहेर निघतो. How does it occur is the mechanism. Exactly what happens? Students, concentrate. Step number 1, which is called the backside attack. Backside attack, what happens? This is your hydroxyl ion. Before that, we'll write here rate of reaction is equal to rate constant K into concentration of two components, that is methyl bromide and hydroxyl ion. Since it depends on the concentration of methyl bromide and hydroxyl ion, it is a second order, hence bimolecular SN2. Means the rate of reaction depends on the concentration of both the reactants, two reactants, that is methyl bromide, hydroxyl, hence two reactants, bimolecular second order. That's it. Okay. Step number 1, backside attack. Hydroxyl ion, ऑक्सिजन हा इलेक्ट्रॉन डोनर आहे, न्यूक्लियोफाइल आहे. हा तुमचा मिथाइल ब्रोमाइड. सी द स्ट्रक्चर स्टुडंट्स. This is H, this is H, this is H, and this is Br. Straight lines in the plane, a dotted किंवा cut form of line below and full or dark line above. कार्बनच्या वरती डार्क लाइन, कार्बनच्या खालती डॉटेड प्लेन. Okay, where will the hydroxyl ion attack? Nucleophile attack carbon, because it's an electrophilic center and hence electrophilic center deficient of electrons. The shared pair of electrons of the bond, हा जो बॉन्ड फॉर्म वाला दोन इलेक्ट्रॉन्स लागतात ना, ते दोन्ही कब्जा करतं ब्रोमीन. Bromine takes those two electrons. That is called heterolysis. Students, the word is called heterolysis. Actually तुम्ही 11वीत शिकले आहे. Heterolysis म्हणजे the two electrons involved in the formation of covalent bond are transferred to only one species. If they are एक तुला एक मला झाला तर ते homolysis. जर दोन्ही पैकी ब्रोमीन म्हणाल मला दोन्ही देऊन टाक, heterolysis. So heterolysis reaction takes place. What happens? Students, see hydroxyl ion, a typical carbon, a hydrogen, this is hydrogen, this is another hydrogen. See the positions, and this is bromide. Negative, this is minus half, and this is half. Now you may ask me, this is a transition state. Transition state. Observe, hydroxyl ion has attacked carbon on the side opposite to CBr bond. Why? Because bromine is already electronegative. Electronegative ion will repel hydroxyl ion. Hence it attacks from the side opposite to CBr bond. Hence it is called backside attack. Means the attack of the nucleophile, which is hydroxyl, is on the opposite side of the CBr bond, because Br is electronegative, repel करणार ते. ही कुठली स्टेट? ही ट्रांजिशन स्टेट. ट्रांजिशन स्टेट means what? The CHH methyl जे bonds आहेत, these three bonds, they are aligned at an angle of 120 degree. एक ऊपर, एक इस साइड में, एक इस साइड में. हे बघा, they are aligned at an angle of 120 degree and partial covalent bond is formed by the bromide and the hydroxyl ion. Half here contribute करता, half negative charge contribute करतो, and that is how the transition state. ह्याची speciality काय students? Here the coordination or the valency of carbon is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So valency of carbon is 5, which is almost impossible. ठीक है ना? Coordination of carbon is 5 here. आता होतं काय? half bond म्हणून तो half bond. Okay? Halfly shared by COH, partially negative, partially negative. हे half contribute electron करतात ते. मग होतं काय? Both the electrons of carbon, both the shared electrons of CBr bond is transferred to only bromine. Bromine gets converted into bromide ion. Left out is what? And the COH bond, that is the bond between the nucleophile and the bond between the nucleophile. Nucleophile and carbon is formed. This is it. ही पोझिशन बघा, ही उलटली कळतंय, ही अशी काढूया. मैं तुम्हाला कन्फ्युजन नको स्टुडंट्स. This is H here and this goes like this. And where is this hydrogen? Exactly in the opposite direction. Hydrogen ची पोझिशन मिरर इमेज कशी फॉर्म झाली, हायड्रॉक्साइल ची पोझिशन वेगळी आणि हे ऑपोजिट. व्हॉट आर यू ऑब्झर्विंग हियर? द सबस्ट्रेट, हा सबस्ट्रेट म्हणजे ऑन विच रिएक्शन ऑकर्स. substrate and this is product. In the product, we find that the position of the respective atoms attached to chiral carbon are in different positions. They are exactly in the opposite way. Compare करा मुलांनो, हाइड्रोजन, ये देखो हाइड्रोजन उल्टे साइड ला. Observe this hydrogen, it's come here. Observe this hydrogen, it's come here. This is called inversion of configuration. Means the configuration or arrangement of atoms in the product is exactly opposite to the arrangement of atoms in the reactant or substrate. Hence it is called inversion of configuration. Inversion of configuration. That's it. I'll repeat. Reaction of methyl bromide with hydroxyl ion to form methyl alcohol and bromide ion is a SN2 mechanism. Substitution takes place with the help of a nucleophile undergoes substitution. Nucleophile occupies the place. कार्बन ची बॅलन्सी डिस्टर्ब न करता ब्रोमाइडला हटवलं जातं. That's it. Okay? Concentrate. SN2 mechanism का म्हणायचं? Substitution reaction brought about by nucleophile and bimolecular. Bimolecular means it is a second order reaction. Second order means it depends on both the concentration of both the reactants. That is methyl bromide and hydroxide. Step number 1. This is a backside attack. Backside attack. Why backside attack? Because bromine is electronegative. Hydroxyl ion attacks that carbon atom, end of carbon atom opposite to CBr substrate. The bond is partially shared. There is partial sharing of electrons between COH and CBr. Here the valency of carbon is 5. Hence it is called as a transition state. Then what happens? COH bond is developed, means the attack of the nucleophile with carbon completes, and bromide ion takes both the electrons of the CBr bond and gets converted into bromide ion. Hence the reaction is called heterolysis. You are observing that, students, the entire reaction is taking place in a single step. एका step मध्ये घडणाऱ्या reaction ला it is called as the reaction occurring at a slow rate. So when is the reaction said to be occurring at a slow rate? When it takes place in a single step. Backside attack, transition state, formation of product. That's it. कौन अटॅक करतं? न्यूक्लियोफाइल. न्यूक्लियोफाइल कोण? इलेक्ट्रॉन डोनर. That's it. Okay? Is it okay, students? That's it. हे तुमचं SN2 mechanism. आता SN2 mechanism च्या बरोबर थोडं modified form मध्ये SN1 mechanism शिकवते. SN1. Observe. Inversion of configuration. एक पॉइंट सांगते, परत सांगते तो. हायड्रोजनची उलट. The position of atoms in the product is exactly opposite to the position of atoms in the reactants. Hence it is called inversion of configuration. कळतंय? बरोबर. ही बघा, ही पोझिशन त्याला उलटली, ही पोझिशन उलटली, ही पोझिशन opposite direction. Inversion of configuration occurs. कळतंय? Next, SN1 mechanism. Concentrate well, students. I am teaching intentionally slowly because you should understand. सप्टेंबर महिन्यापासून कॉलेजेस स्कूल सुरू व्हायचं चाललंय. देव जाणे, परमेश्वराला माहिती. They are saying that we limited China, we limited Indonesia, and त्यांच्या पद्धतीप्रमाणे आम्ही पण आमच्या मुलांना शाळेला पाठवूया, कॉलेजला पाठवूया. तुम्ही काय करता बघा. Yes. Concentrate, students. आता SN1 mechanism. SN1 means the rate of reaction will depend only on one of the reactants. एकाच reactant वर अवलंबून असणार. Hence it is called SN1. The reaction of tert butyl bromide. Tert butyl means the reaction of tert butyl bromide. Nucleophile attack is hydroxyl. Your hydroxide ion is a nucleophile. To form what? Students, we are discussing SN1 mechanism, substitution reaction brought about by a nucleophile, first order. Okay, reaction between tert butyl bromide. What is tert butyl? 1 2 3 4 carbon atoms and 3 methyl groups attached to the carbon. Bromine is attached to that, surrounded by 3 methyl group. This is tert butyl bromide. The tert butyl bromide reacts with hydroxide to form tert butyl alcohol and bromide ion. This is an example of SN1 mechanism. Reason. First of all, let me tell you why is it called SN1. Because the rate of reaction depends only on the concentration of tert butyl bromide. It has nothing to do with hydroxide. It has nothing to do with the hydroxide ion. It is only bothered about the concentration of tert butyl bromide. Hence it is called as the first order reaction, SN1, unimolecular. The reaction takes place in 2 steps and hence the reaction is said to be taking place at a, we'll put it like this, it takes place in 2 steps. Unlike the SN2 mechanism, the reaction had occurred in one single step. Here the reaction occurs in 2 steps. First of all, in the tert butyl bromide, there occurs heterolysis of CBr bond. What did I tell you? CBr bond से heterolysis से meaning क्या है? कि both the electrons of the shared covalent bond, both the electrons which are involved in sharing are transferred to bromide. Hence, carbon, this tert butyl forms a typical intermediate product. That intermediate product is the one with a carbon bearing a positive charge. Hence, it is called a carbocation. What is a carbocation? A product formed with carbon bearing a positive charge. Next, students, this carbocation then reacts with the hydroxyl ion, or the hydroxyl ion reacts with the carbon or the carbocation to form tert butyl alcohol. Students, you observe that there is no inversion of configuration. The positions of methyl groups is intact because this particular tert butyl alcohol is optically inactive, means it is a racemic mixture. There is no inversion of configuration. It is only a simple racemic mixture. I'll revise it again. Reaction of tert butyl bromide with hydroxide ion to form tert butyl alcohol liberating bromide is the first order reaction because the concentration depends only on the tert butyl. The rate of reaction depends only on the concentration of tert butyl bromide. That is this. This is the reaction which takes place in 2 steps. Step number 1, where there occurs heterolysis of CBr bond to form an intermediate carbocation. Then in the step number 2, the nucleophile attacks the carbocation to form tert butyl alcohol. Ends the job. कळतंय? हे 2 reactions पैकी एक reaction guarantee देते की येतं examला. Every year it is. Because this topic itself is important. Now we are coming to the end of this halogen derivatives. We'll start with alcohols, phenols and ether. Students, एकदा हात लावला ना C2 ला ते सतत ते टॉपिक्स घ्यायचे आणि मग आपण C1 ला येऊया. ओके? बाय फॉर टुडे. चलो.